In this video, I want to talk about how we visualize multiplication because that's going to help us understand how we multiply our polynomials. So, for example, if I had the problem, how would you go about multiplying this? And for any of you old people out there, you might know exactly what you want to do, and you do not want to listen to another approach to multiplying this because the algorithm for multiplying two numbers like this is pretty quick and it's pretty efficient. But the one question I do want to ask you, do you actually understand why that algorithm works? And if your answer is no, then let's go ahead and take a look at multiplying 52 times 67 in a different way. And that way is to look at this as an area. See, when I multiply 52 times 67, it doesn't matter if we represent it as a length or a width. We understand, though, that the product of them is going to give us the area of this rectangle. So what's important about this, if I think about this solution as a rectangle, I can actually break it up into smaller rectangles. See, I think you'd agree that 60 plus 7 is the same thing as 67. 50 plus 2 is the same thing as 52. Right? If we were to think about these numbers as the sides of a rectangle, we can actually break up our larger rectangle into 4 different smaller rectangles. Now, to find the area of each of these rectangles, it's going to be a little bit easier. See, 50 times 60 is going to be 3,000. 50 times 7 is going to be 350. 60 times 2 is going to be 120. And 2 times 7 is going to be a 14. Now, if I wanted to find the area of this whole rectangle, I could add up all 4 of these values. And I get my answer of 3,484. Now, this is not faster than using this old method. However, this gives us a better understanding of the multiplication of two numbers that we're going to now use to build upon in our next video, where we're going to now include some variables. I'll see you in that video.